there's something very, very powerful and soothing and just making one feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. That's what nature gives us. So I think the initiatives that Tim and Power to Be are creating are fantastic. And again, thank you guys for opening up your home to us tonight. This is a beautiful, beautiful evening.
Thank you for helping our participants reach new heights and discovering what's possible. You're dear to my heart. You're difference makers. I hope you have a great evening tonight. I'm truly indebted to the people that are here.
As a mother, to see your child who you want the best for and you want her to climb many mountains, she doesn't get to do all of that stuff because of her disability, but the day that we reached the summit on Mount Finlayson and she looked over at that stunning view up there and all the people around her, it just warmed my heart. It makes what is a very challenging journey somewhat bearable, so I just can't thank Power to Be enough.
Because at the end of the night, I want to make sure that kids like Maya, families like Lisa's, way more possibilities can exist, because I know that those families and kids could really benefit from being in the outdoors just as much as we do.
Listen as the wind blows from across the great divide, voices trapped in yearning, memories trapped in time.
Together, we raised $555,000. Thank you so much for your support. We at Power to Be can't do this without you, and we look forward to seeing you next year.